As a young woman, I knew that I didn't know how to dance. I was the one who sat in the corner watching everyone else dance on the dance floor at parties because I knew I didn't know how to dance. I just couldn't move the way everyone else was moving. I knew that my body didn't respond to the music the way they did. I had no coordination. I was often told that I had two left feet. And so the only way, and this was back before I had a relationship with the Lord, the only way I got on the dance floor was to drink enough alcohol that I didn't care what I looked like anymore. It gave me the courage to get on the floor and just, you know, be a fool. But even that, I knew there were still songs, there were still certain kind of music that I could not get away with, and I still remained away from the dance floor during those times. So when people tell me, "Oh, I wish I could do what you do, but there's just no way. I don't know how to dance," or I hear things like, "Oh, at my age, I can't move like that," or "Oh, in my size, it's just not possible." But I want to tell you, I was you. I didn't know how to dance. I could make up all the excuses that you can think of to get on the dance floor. So imagine when the Lord put this strong desire in me to dance, the turmoil that I felt within me. It was an internal battle because I longed to just dance with him, but I knew logic said you don't know how to dance, and so I felt like this is an impossible thing to do. But he has taught me to be able to lock eyes with him and just connect my heart to his heart, to lean into him and to allow him to move me and lead me in this dance. He has taught me how to express my love and my gratitude through my dance so that I can dance and no matter what kind of music is playing, because it no longer matters about the song that I'm hearing, but it's the song that is within me. And this is what I want to give you. It's time to dance. It's time to get past your fears and to just dance. And I want to help you. I want to give you the gift that God has given me. And so I am so happy to be able to offer you these two opportunities to join me and allow me to coach you through this process. You have the opportunity to be part of a group of women just like yourself with the same heart and bond and create a sisterhood with them. But you also have the opportunity to speak one-on-one with me and allow me to help you right where you're at our own schedule. For 6 weeks, both of these things are offered to you. And right now, if you join me, if you say yes right now, I am also giving you the opportunity to learn how to create your own silk worship products. It was something that birthed out of me through my dance. I desire to have something that connected to my heart. And I had to go through a process of learning. I had to go through a process of wasting money, wasting time, having heartache, and I want to save you that. So right now, if you join right now, you can also have access to the online basic silk dyeing workshop that I have available. You can watch it at your own pace. You have access to the videos for up to 6 months. And in there, you're going to learn how to create with God your own silk worship products. So you're also going to have a list of everything that I use and where I shop and what to do to be able to create something that speaks to you. And of course, you can do anything you want to with whatever you gain out of that. So I hope you say yes. I'm ready for you to dance. I'm ready for you to join me and express your worship to the Lord through dance. I love you and believe in you, and I hope I have the opportunity and the honor to meet you and work with you personally. God bless you.